How do I format cells quickly in Google Sheets? Now, to make this look better, let's format a little. It's good practice to make your schedules presentable, and some simple formatting can make a good schedule into a great one. Let's add a bottom border by clicking the border button and choosing bottom. Center the titles using the horizontal align button. Merge and center the part name by using the Merge Cells button and the horizontal align button. Box the inventory balance with a thick border by using the button. Click Border Style. Select the thicker line. Wrap text on Change in Inventory using the Text Wrapping button. And let's fill in the part name and balance using the Fill Color button to make it display nicer. Now let's move the summary down a little and add a worksheet title and a date. Now let's format the summary a little with borders and add the column title Part. But I don't like the thick border, so I need to apply the thin border. And to continue learning Google Sheets for your small business, watch this video next.